Our journey begins approximately 4.6 billion years ago, in a time when the Earth was just forming from the dust and gas surrounding the young sun. The Earth was a place of intense heat, with temperatures soaring as high as thousands of degrees. The surface was a molten landscape, constantly reshaped by the relentless flow of lava. The planet was a swirling mass of molten rock and dust, a chaotic environment where volcanic activity was rampant. Massive eruptions sent plumes of ash and gas into the sky, creating a thick, toxic atmosphere. This was the Hadean Eon, a time of unimaginable chaos and extreme conditions. The surface was rugged and barren, with no signs of life. Asteroids bombarded the young Earth, their impacts adding to the already tumultuous environment. These collisions brought not only destruction but also new materials that would eventually contribute to the planet's development. Volcanoes erupted with ferocity, spewing lava and gases into the primordial atmosphere. These eruptions played a crucial role in shaping the early landscape and atmosphere of our planet. Amidst this chaos, a defining event occurred that would change the course of Earth's history forever. A Mars-sized object collided with Earth. The impact was cataclysmic, sending debris into space and causing massive changes to the planet's surface. Debris from the collision coalesced to form our Moon. This new celestial body began to orbit the Earth, its presence having profound effects on the planet. The Moon's gravitational pull stabilized Earth's rotation, leading to more predictable cycles of day and night. This stability was essential for the development of a more hospitable environment. This stabilization was crucial for the development of a stable climate, which would eventually allow life to flourish. The Earth's climate began to settle, paving the way for the next stages of its evolution. The stage was set for the next chapter in Earth's story, a chapter that would see the emergence of life and the gradual transformation of the planet into the world we know today. As Earth cooled, a remarkable transformation began. Water vapor from the cooling atmosphere condensed. Torrential rains fell upon the cooling crust, forming the first oceans. These oceans were not the serene blue expanses we know today. They were hot, acidic, and filled with dissolved minerals. The atmosphere was also in flux. Gases trapped within the Earth's interior were released through volcanic activity. These gases, including carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor, formed a thick, toxic atmosphere. While inhospitable to life as we know it, this early atmosphere played a crucial role in the next stage of Earth's evolution. Around 3.8 billion years ago, in the depths of these primordial oceans, life emerged. The first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms. These organisms, likely similar to bacteria, were able to harness energy from their surroundings. This marked a pivotal moment in Earth's history. These early life forms thrived in the harsh conditions. They adapted to the extreme temperatures and chemical imbalances of the early Earth. Their existence marked the beginning of a process that would ultimately transform the planet. Time elapsed. Life continued to evolve. About 2 billion years ago, a new and more complex type of cell emerged, the eukaryote. Eukaryotic cells possessed a nucleus which contained their genetic material. This innovation was a significant leap in complexity. Eukaryotes paved the way for the evolution of multicellular organisms. These organisms, composed of many cells working together, could perform more specialized functions. This set the stage for the incredible diversity of life that would follow. Section 5. Cambrian explosion, life, finds its diversity. Approximately 541 million years ago, the pace of evolution accelerated dramatically. This period, known as the Cambrian explosion, witnessed an unprecedented diversification of life forms. Organisms with shells, skeletons, and complex body plans emerged. The oceans teemed with strange and wonderful creatures. Trilobites, with their segmented bodies and compound eyes, crawled across the seabed. Early fish, the ancestors of all vertebrates, swam through the water. This explosion of life marked a turning point in Earth's history. Life had become incredibly diverse and complex. Section 6. Cataclysmic events, the dance of extinction and renewal. The journey of life on Earth has not been without its challenges. Throughout its history, Earth has experienced several mass extinction events. These events, often caused by asteroid impacts or massive volcanic eruptions, wiped out a significant portion of life on Earth. The Permian-Triassic extinction, around 252 million years ago, was the most severe of these events. It is estimated that up to 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species perished. While devastating, these extinction events also created opportunities for new forms of life to evolve and flourish. Section 7. Humanity arises from hunter-gatherers to civilizations. This journey spans millions of years, tracing the evolution of our ancestors from simple foragers to complex societies. From the ashes of extinction, new life arose. The Earth, once devastated by cataclysmic events, began to heal and flourish again. Forests regenerated and new plant life emerged, creating vibrant landscapes teeming with life. Mammals, who had survived the cataclysm, diversified and thrived. These resilient creatures adapted to the changing environment, filling ecological niches and becoming the dominant land animals. Among them were the early ancestors of primates, the order to which humans belong. These primates evolved unique traits such as enhanced vision and dexterous hands, which set the stage for future developments. Around 6 million years ago, in the continent of Africa, a lineage of primates diverged, giving rise to the hominins. These early hominins adapted to life on the ground, developing bipedalism as a key trait. Hominins were bipedal, meaning they walked upright on two legs. This significant adaptation allowed them to travel long distances, see over tall grasses, and free their hands for other uses. This freed their hands for tool use and other tasks. The ability to manipulate objects and create tools was a revolutionary step in human evolution, leading to advancements in hunting, gathering, and eventually technology. Over millions of years, hominins evolved larger brains, developed complex social structures, and began to use language. These developments were crucial for cooperation, sharing knowledge, and building communities. Around 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, our species, emerged in Africa. These early humans were not only skilled hunters and gatherers, but also artists and thinkers, as evidenced by ancient cave paintings and artifacts. Section 8. Unlocking the Secrets of the Universe, the Rise of Science. Homo sapiens possessed a unique combination of intelligence, curiosity, and adaptability. They migrated out of Africa, spreading across the globe and adapting to diverse environments. They developed tools, language, art, and culture, and they began to ask fundamental questions about the world around them. This marked the beginning of science. Early humans observed the movements of the stars, developed agricultural techniques, and began to understand the natural world through observation and experimentation. The invention of writing around 5,000 years ago allowed for the accumulation and transmission of knowledge across generations. Section 9. A future intertwined technology, humanity, and the Earth. In this chapter, we explore the profound relationship between technological advancements, human progress, and the health of our planet. The scientific revolution, which began in the 16th century, ushered in an era of unprecedented technological advancement. This period marked the beginning of a new age where human curiosity and ingenuity started to unravel the mysteries of the natural world. Scientists and inventors, driven by a desire to understand and improve, laid the groundwork for the modern world we live in today. From the printing press to the steam engine to the computer, each innovation transformed human society. The printing press democratized knowledge, the steam engine powered the Industrial Revolution, and the computer revolutionized information processing. These milestones not only changed how we live and work, but also how we perceive our place in the universe. Today we live in an age of globalization and interconnectedness, shaped by the rapid pace of technological change. The internet and mobile technology have shrunk the world, enabling instant communication and access to information across the globe. This interconnectedness has brought about unprecedented opportunities for collaboration and innovation, but it has also highlighted the disparities and challenges that exist between different regions and communities. As we look to the future, it is clear that our destiny is inextricably linked to the fate of our planet. The health of our environment directly impacts our quality of life, our economies, and our societies. Efforts to combat climate change, preserve biodiversity, and promote sustainable practices are not just environmental issues. They are fundamental to our survival and well-being. The challenges we face, from climate change to resource depletion to the ethical implications of artificial intelligence, require global cooperation and a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. Addressing these issues demands a multifaceted approach that includes scientific research, policy-making, and grassroots activism. It is a collective effort that calls for the participation of individuals, communities, governments, and international organizations. By embracing the spirit of scientific inquiry, fostering a sense of shared responsibility for our planet, and harnessing the power of technology for good, we can create a future worthy of the remarkable journey that brought us here. Education and awareness are key to inspiring the next generation of innovators and leaders who will continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. Together, we can build a world that is not only technologically advanced, but also sustainable, equitable, and just for all.